It's DeWalt's new compact circular saw. Redesigned to be one of the lightest circular saws in its class and job site tough. At only 8.8 pounds, the new compact circular saw is light, designed for control on the job site and to help reduce user fatigue. It's also compact, completely redesigned with ergonomic handles and a built-in dust blower. Looking for performance? This saw has it. With a 15-amp motor, it provides plenty of power in a compact size and very smooth cutting performance, even through dense materials. The bevel mechanism allows for 57-degree bevel capacity, and with a 2 9/16 inch depth of cut capacity, it will cut a 2x material at 57 degrees in one pass. The anti-snag lower guard geometry allows for smooth operation at a wide variety of angles, making it easy to use in advanced cutting applications. DeWalt tools are known for their durability. The compact circular saw features a new ball bearing lower guard, which provides long life even in dusty environments. The tough cord system provides 12 times better resistance against cord pullout. This system strengthens the connection between the tool and cord for longer life and durability. Experience the new standard in circular saw performance. It's the new top-handled circular saw, only from DeWalt. Guaranteed tough.
The expanding lineup of Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt brushless tools lets you work stronger and longer with the new brushless drill driver kit. Handle projects of all sizes with a 24-position clutch and 2-speed gearbox. The brushless motor delivers 460 inch-pounds of torque to power through tough applications. It uses fewer wearable parts, extending the tool's life and giving you more speed, more torque, and more durability than traditional brush motors. This brushless drill driver also features a new innovative dual-function half-inch chuck. Swap out bits faster than ever with the quarter-inch collet, or secure them with the tried-and-true chuck jaws. With more pro features, including the MagTray magnetic holder, LED light, grip zone overmold, and new innovative fastener-free belt clip, Ryobi continues to bring affordable innovation and performance to the job site. Work with confidence, knowing any 1 Plus tool works with any 1 Plus battery in a family of over 100 tools. Ryobi, pro features, affordable prices.
How to route half-blind dovetails and rabbeted half-blind dovetails on the Lee RTJ400. The RTJ400 makes it easy to route both half-blind dovetails and rabbeted half-blind dovetails on your router table. When routing half-blind dovetails, the pin board and tail board are routed at the same time in a single pass. With half-blind dovetails, only one side of the joint shows. Half-blind dovetails are ideal for drawers and other box construction. Everything you need is included to start making half-blind dovetails with the RTJ400. The RTJ400 can produce half-blind and rabbeted half-blind dovetails with 3 different depths of cut for board thicknesses ranging from 3/8 of an inch to 1 inch, in board widths up to 16 inches wide, using the included Lee No. 120-500 dovetail bit and the 2 optional half-inch shank bits, in combination with the included Lee E10 guide bushing, depth gauge, and stop rod. As with all joinery on the RTJ400, an on-jig quick reference strip walks you through the easy steps to make the joint. Half-blind dovetails are routed with the frame located in the half-blind position. The frame pin position is determined by the thickness of the drawer sides, in this case 1/2 inch. Each half-blind bit works at a specific depth of cut, and the supplied depth gauge makes it easy to set the bit to the correct height. The nylon stop rod is used for drawer sides from 3/8 of an inch to 5/8 of an inch to restrict the template's horizontal movement. The tailboard is centered on the template and clamped in place. Then the adjustable side stop is positioned against the tailboard and tightened with the hex key. The pin board is clamped horizontally in the jig against the built-in offset of the side stop. Routing starts with a light climb cut. Then the pins and tails are routed simultaneously. The template is guided by the guide bushing in every template opening to provide perfectly formed pins, tails, and sockets. The remaining corners of the box are also routed with the same setup in a single pass. The box is then assembled to test the fit. As with all joinery on the RTJ 400, joint tightness is adjusted with the E-bush. The patented Lee E10 guide bushing is unique and offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The barrel of the E-bush is not round, but rather it's elliptical in shape. Because of this, as the E-bush is turned from its mid-5 reference mark, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser joint. The diameter of the E-bush is widest at the number 10 setting. At this setting, the effective diameter of the E10 guide bushing is 5/8 of an inch. Rotating the E-bush from the number 10 setting to the 0 setting reduces the effective diameter by 20/1000ths of an inch. As the RTJ 400 template moves over the E-bush, more wood is removed, resulting in wider sockets and narrower pins. Each increment on the E-bush changes the effective diameter by 2/1000ths of an inch. Half an increment changes the fit by an incredible 1/1000th of an inch. By starting at the mid-setting of 5, you can quickly route larger or smaller pins and sockets until the perfect fit is achieved. Settings are recorded in the user guide and on the quick reference strip for easy repeatability the next time you route half-blind dovetails on the RTJ 400. Rabbeted half-blind joints are primarily used for drawer fronts. Rabbeted joints use the same 3 bits and E10 guide bushing as half-blind joints. The same cutter depth gauge, pin positions, and the stop rod, if required. Unlike half-blind joints, the tailboard and pin board must be routed separately because of the rabbeted lip. The tailboard is centered over the comb and clamped, and the side stop is moved against the board. A light climb cut is made and routing is done in all comb openings. Note that a scrap backer board may be used to help eliminate tear out. Once routing is complete, the tailboard is removed. A shop-made limit stop will position the rabbeted pin board accurately. The rabbeted pin board is positioned horizontally against the shop-made limit stop and the side stop, and clamped in place. Note that the side stop is designed to accommodate the lip so that the finished piece is aligned perfectly. Routing is done in all openings to perfectly form the pins and tail sockets. Any necessary adjustments follow the same procedure as half-blind dovetails. For more information on the RTJ 400, go to leejigs.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.